In this video, I will show you how to conditional format based on a text field and one amazing formula to go along with it. Hi, this is Bharat here from Technisha, where you can find tutorials on productivity tools to make your life easier. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Conditional formatting is a tool that allows you to apply formats to a cell or range of cells and have that formatting change depending on the value of the cell or the value of a formula. In this video, I will show you how to use conditional formatting based on a text. So let's dive right in. Here we have an expenses data over a couple of months. So the columns you have here are date, category, subcategory, amount, and note. We can do conditional formatting based on multiple things here. Let's say you wanted to highlight all the housing category data. One way to do that is to select the cells here, and you can go to conditional format, highlight cell rules equal to, and here you can put it as housing, and let's fill it with green. Say OK, and there you get all the data which is equal to housing highlighted as green. Let's say you wanted to see the data for fun now. So again, you could select the data here and say conditional formatting, manage rules, edit the rule, and instead of housing, change it to fun and say OK. OK here. And now the cells which are fun have been colored. But this is a tedious job to go and see different categories. There is a simpler way to do this. So let's see that now. Let me go to the cell H2 and I'm going to call it segment. And in I2, I'm just going to put a drop down list with the unique values of these categories. So just going to do a quick data validation. Go to data, validation, and just going to put a list. And the source, since there are only 4 categories present here, I'm just going to type it in. It's going to be housing, fun, daily, and transport, and say OK. So now I have all the 4 categories which are unique in this category column. Alright, so let me just select all these cells and I'm just going to go and clear the rules from the entire sheet. So now let's make a conditional formatting based on the cell I2. Let's say that I select housing right now. And now let's select the category. Now when you do conditional formatting, we can say new rule and choose as a classic and as a formula. And out here we are going to put equal to the cell here should be equal to the I2 cell. Now since it's a total column of data, we need to ensure that we remove the dollar symbols. And now let's change it to green and say OK. There. So as we choose housing here, the housing categories have been highlighted, and I can drop down and let's say I change to fun. So now the fun category is highlighted, and I can do daily or transport. Our conditional formatting seems to be working great. You need to know that conditional formatting is not case sensitive. That is, if in this cell I had transport written in all caps, let's say all uppercase letters, it still would recognize it. So let's say I changed daily to all capitals. So if I change to daily now, even the cell with all uppercase alphabets is going to be recognized, which is really great as it's looking only for the alphabets and not the case. However, let's say that in one of these cells I had an extra space. So to the naked eye it looks fine, but it's not recognized by the conditional formatting because it's exactly looking for DAILY, and this cell has DAILY with a space. That's a really simple formula to highlight even these type of cells which have extra spaces. I'm going to show that to you now. So let's select this category again and go to conditional formatting and go to manage rules and let's get to edit rule. And right here we are going to enter that formula. So in place of C4 we are going to use a formula called trim. Trim is an Excel formula which removes unwanted spaces. So once you do that here, and you need to keep the I2 same, say OK, OK, and now you see even the cell C18 which has a daily with a space is going to be highlighted. Let's say if I have a space before the D, it still would be highlighted. By using trim function, one can ensure that when you are doing conditional formatting using text, all the data immaterial of the spaces will be highlighted. Conditional formatting can be a powerful tool for quick data analysis, and I hope that this tutorial will help you achieve that. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, ciao.